Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 3, Daddy Long Legs. This story is written by Jean Webster. Jean Webster was an American writer. She is best known for writing the book Daddy Long Legs and its sequel, Dear Enemy. Most of her books have a humorous yet gentle one. They often have pleasant female characters with a sharp mind. So, in this chapter, Daddy Long Leg, we are going to read about a girl. Her name is Jerusha Abbott. Jerusha Abbott is raised at the John Gere Home, an orphanage for children. She is about to complete her high school education when she learns from Mrs. Lept, the matron at the home. Here, matron means a woman who looks after children in an orphanage. In that orphanage, there is a woman who looks after the children who lives in that orphanage. A trustee is interested in sending her to college. A trustee is interested to sending Jerusha to a college. Trustee means a member of a trust meant to look after the smooth running of a place. So, the trustee of that orphanage wants to send Jerusha to college. Although the trustee wishes to remain unknown, trustee don't want that his name or details get enclosed before Jerusha. Jerusha is required to write a letter to him every month in which she ought to share her progress in studies and the details of her daily life at the college. The trustee only wants from Jerusha that she is supposed to write a letter to him every month in which she has to describe about her progress in the college and about the environment and whatever she feels in that college. She is supposed to write all those things in the letter whenever she writes those letters to that trustee. These letters are to be addressed to Mr. John Smith. These letters are supposed to send to Mr. John Smith. But John Smith is not the name of that trustee. John Smith is name for only, this name is only given to Jerusha to send the letter to that address. Mr. John Smith although that is not the trustee's name, Jerusha only knows that he is rich, tall and had not really shown much interest in sending a girl to college till then. Jerusha only knows that trustee is a rich man, he is quite tall in height, and before Jerusha, he was not much interested to send any girl to college. Means that from that orphanage, Jerusha was the first one to go to the college. And after sending her to college, trustee only wants that she has to write a letter to him. So basically in this chapter, we are going to read about a letter which Jerusha has written to trustee in which she has described about her progress, about her feelings, whatever she is feeling in that environment. So, dear students, in next class we will start with that letter. We will read about the letter which Jerusha has written to the trustee. So, thank you students.